What's going on, guys? Jacob Reed back with another unboxing video. Today I got 2 cars in the mail, so this is an unboxing video, so let's go ahead and open the cars up. Or open the package up, excuse me. Need to open this more. Dang, this is taking a while. Longer than I thought. Okay, there we go. Stupid tape was one and then not act right. So, alright. Oh, these cars are freaking beautiful. So here we go. Got the packing list. So, there we go. Here's the 2 cars I got. Boy, oh boy. These 2 are absolutely, First up we got is Regan Smith's, Nico Road Rippers. Throwback to to Alan Gawicki, which is right down here. I'll do a comparison video with that. And the other car I got is Paul Menard's Al Unser Jr. throwback. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.